Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to create WooCommerce WordPress website. So let's just begin. Alright, so the first thing that we need to do is to go inside the appearance and click on theme, and we have to select the Astro theme here. So if you haven't already installed the Astro theme, all you need to do is to go inside add new theme, and from here you have to search for Astro, and then you can simply install it from here. Okay, so after installing and activating the Astro theme, what we need to do, we have to go inside the plugins and click on add new plugin. And now what we need to do, we have to install the three plugins here. So the first one is Elementor. You can see here, I have already installed the Elementor. So after that, I need to install starter templates. So I have already installed and activated starter templates. So in the last, we need to add WooCommerce. Alright, so as you can see that we have the WooCommerce at the top of the search. So we have to install this and we have to click on activate. So now what we need to do, we have installed and activate all of the three plugins that we need. Okay, so here now you need to go inside the starter templates library. So let's click on C library. Okay, so let's click on build with templates. So here you have to click on e-commerce. And now you will be able to see the templates that is for the e-commerce. Okay, so from here you can see the different kind of templates that we can use for our WooCommerce website. Some of these templates are actually the premium templates, which means you have to pay for them, and some of the templates are actually the free templates that you can use for free. Okay, so let's just explore the templates here. Alright, so I think right now I just want to go here with this template or maybe this one. Okay, so let's select this one right now. Simply natural, and if I just click on skip and continue, click on continue again, and if you want to fill the detail you can simply do it from here, but I will be skipping this. So let's click on submit and build my website. So it will start building our WooCommerce website. Alright, so let's click on view your website, and here you will be able to see your WooCommerce website. Okay, so this is the template that we have used. Alright, so these are the products that came along with the template. Okay, so if I just click on any of the product from here, so here you will be able to see that this is the product page, and if you want to add this product into the cart, you simply click on add to cart, and this would be added into our cart. So if you want to view your cart, you simply click on view cart, and here you will be able to see your cart page here as well. So if you want to apply a coupon, you can simply do it from here, and if you want to add the quantity or remove the quantity, you can also do it from here. And in the last, you can simply go to proceed to checkout. Alright, so this is the checkout page right now. So in the checkout page, you'd have to add the billing details, and after that you can place the order. So right now we haven't added the payment method. So for that you will need to go inside the dashboard of your WordPress, and here you will be able to see the option of payment here. Okay, so let's click on it. So from here you can simply add the Woo payment, that is by the WooCommerce. And you can also add the other payment methods for the buyers to pay. So you can add the PayPal payments, you can add the Amazon Pay, you can add the Klarna, and if you want to see the more options, you can simply click on see more. Okay, and if you want to add the products in your WooCommerce website, you simply go inside the products, and here you will be able to see the existing products. Okay, you can see here, these are the existing products, and if you want to add a new product, you simply click on add new, and from here we can add a new product on our WooCommerce store. So here you can simply write down the name of the product, and here you're going to write down the description of the product, and here we're going to have the product data, whether it is a simple product, the grounded, or the external or affiliate, or a variable product. And you can also check if the product is a virtual product and downloadable. Okay, and after that you can add the product short description as well. And you can also see the option of the product image from here. So if you want to add the product image, you simply click here, and from here you can simply add the product image. So if you don't have the product image in the media library, you can go inside the upload files, and from here you can simply upload the product images from your computer. Okay, so let's close this, and you can also see the option of product gallery here, and you can see the product categories, you can see the product tags, and you can also see the other options here as well. So this is how you can add the products in your WooCommerce store. Alright, so if I just click on the visit store, you will be able to see our products here. You will be able to see the hottest product and categories. So these options actually depend on the template that you are using. Okay, so it may vary, depends on the template. So this is how you can create the simple WooCommerce WordPress website. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.